I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down hardware and software basics. Do this now so training transfers. Set mouse DPI and polling rate, then match Windows and Aimlab sensitivity for one movement. Once done, pick a training profile, flick for snaps, tracking for smooth follow, switching for multi-target control. Make sure your resolution and aspect ratio are stable, because consistency builds muscle memory. Start the first short routine, 2 to 3 minutes, to collect baseline metrics, and let the program record your. Now you move into focused, structured practice to improve specific skills. Start with a short warm-up to sync aim, then alternate drills and blocks, tracking, then flicks, then scenario work to force adaptation. Vary target size and speed every 10-15 minutes so you train both precision and reaction. Use Aimlab's metrics to compare sessions. If accuracy improves but speed lags, slow targets slightly to refine control. Make sure to rest briefly between blocks. Fatigue ruins technique, so short breaks help learning consolidation. You wrap up by consolidating gains and setting next goals. Cool down with low-intensity tracking for 3 to 5 minutes, then record quick notes. What worked, what failed. Once a week, review your stats and tweak routines. Raise difficulty by small increments, 5 to 15% when consistent. If you hit a plateau, troubleshoot, recheck DPI, mousepad, and sensor clean, then test small sensitivity changes. One key tip: if aim feels jittery, lower sensitivity in small steps, and retrain for stability before increasing speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.